In today's ever-changing world, life science advancements are dependent on next-generation instrumentation platforms. A smooth design journey and faster time to market begins with Coherent. Work seamlessly to optimize your instrumentation design with our team of experts. Coherent focuses on product solutions in the areas of materials, optics, thermoelectrics, and lasers, from the component level to vertically integrated subassemblies and subsystems. Work with a partner that understands life science instrumentation, offering multiple components throughout a given system, targeting vertical integration strategies to achieve performance and cost improvements. Coherent works with life science instrumentation manufacturers throughout the entire design process, from customer requirements through design and engineering, prototyping, pilot production, and full transfer to volume manufacturing. From optical, mechanical, electrical design to PCB and firmware engineering for seamless hardware-software integration, to building customer-specific testing platforms and unparalleled reliability engineering, Coherent is a system-level partner. Ease and accelerate your instrumentation development with our proven traceability, dark and clean room environments, and medical-grade certified manufacturing facilities. Whether you are striving to design a platform that is smaller, faster, more sensitive, higher performing, or with increased accuracy, Coherent delivers solutions throughout, from illumination to light management, thermal management, sample loading, and detection integration. Trust in the security of our supply chain and global manufacturing with over 120 sites. With unparalleled vertical integration for advancing life sciences instrumentation, we can help you make way for exciting new opportunities.